Hello, this is Ghostbit Miner coming at you from the power of YouTube through the internet itself. So today guys, we're going to go into how much you can make off a $500 mining rig, mining Zcash. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. Okay guys, so this is the miner right here. This miner only cost me $492. So pretty cool miner, and yes, that is a EVGA 1060 super clocked edition card right there. So we're going to be looking at this whole mining rig setup and how did I actually get it for under $500. So first off, I got a hard drive working on right here. This hard drive is a 160 gigabyte hard drive. It was $14 on Amazon. This was a refurbished one, and yes, it's a hard drive, and yes, it sucks up more power than SSD, and yes, it's much slower. But again, I'm trying to see how much I can make in profit back. So that was my first cheap purchase, and then we're gonna look at the CPU. So the CPU on this motherboard is a Pentium Intel Core processor. I got it on OfferUp for $25. It was used and it came with a box fan. The person I bought it from said he only used it for about 3 months and then upgraded to i7. So that was a pretty good deal, local good deal. And then the sticks of RAM back there are from ADATA. There are 4 gigs of RAM, so I like to run 8 gigs on my mining rigs, just because I do like to upgrade them into a 7-card rig eventually. And normally if you run more than 4 cards and you want a smooth mining machine, you always want about 1 gig per card of memory. So this is my card I'm using. My motherboard right here is actually the Asus Z170E. It has 6 PCIe slots right there. So we have 3 16-pin slots and then 3 1-pin slots right there. So pretty good deal. And then it also has the M.2 part right there, so you can actually put an adapter for another PCIe output. And this board right here was actually a pretty good deal. I got it on Amazon again for $45. Not bad. Not bad at all. So again, I cut corners where I could, and this one was also refurbished from Amazon with a 90-day warranty, which is okay. I mean, I'm trying to again make the cheapest mining rig possible. My power supply back here is a EVGA 850BQ. This was on sale on EVGA for $64 on their B product line, and it came with a 1-year warranty. So it didn't come with any bells and whistles. It came in a plain box with just the cables that came with it. So this card right here is also off the B product line from EVGA. I got this card for $250 on EVGA. It's brand new. It just again came with a cheaper box and no manual, no nothing like that. It just came straight out of the box, but it's a super clocked edition, and let's see how much that's making me. Okay guys, so now it's mining on Nanopool Zcash, and let's go ahead and look at those souls a second. So we're looking at, I was actually messing around with it. I increased the core clock a little bit and the memory clock, but we're making 337 souls solutions a second. I'm gonna go and pull up Crypto Compare so we can see how much that is in revenue on for Zcash. Okay, so I went ahead and pulled up Crypto Compare on my phone. I went ahead and put the low end of 330 in there just to be modest, and we're looking at a profit per month of $44.45. So let's say if I increase that to 340, because I hit that a couple times with this super clocked edition. So pretty good, $45 per month. We're getting $1.53 a day, $10.69 a week. Let's look at this big number down here, $557.15 a year. So guys, this is, again, I look at the ROI just for the card. This card was only $250. So let's see how long this ROI is going to be for this card. So the ROI of this card is going to be 5.5 months. So almost 6 months to get your money back for this one card at the current rate of Zcash, which is I think $380 per Zcash. So that's not too bad, guys. This is one card. Yes, this is a $495 mining rig, but the best thing about it is you can always increase your profitability with more cards. So you can add up to 7 cards on this machine to get your money back faster. So this is my one card rig that's making me $45 a month. That's not too bad. And the bigger brothers over here, this machine right here is a 7 card rig. That's actually my first mining rig, and this one's making me $400 a month. 4 of these cards already hit their ROI. I've been doing this since October, so a lot of them are doing pretty awesome. And you can see down here, this machine is costing me $91 a month, and that's at 10 cents a kilowatt. So that's not too bad. Again, guys, this is my second rig, which I'm just trying to go super inexpensive on. This one, the future of this one is going to be holding, again, 7 EVGA 1060 6 gig editions on this one. Again, just to try to get up to about 2,500 souls a solution on this machine, making hopefully a profit about 400 to 350 on this machine. So this is gonna be my second machine. Not too bad, guys. Again, this is Ghostbit Miner coming at you from the power of YouTube through the internet itself. Just giving you a little look at my project I have going on right now. Again, guys, please like, subscribe, and share so you can get more videos like this. And also comment down below if you have any ideas or solutions that can help me mine more efficiently. And I'm always down to try new things. Thank you, guys. See y'all soon. Bye.